Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great day today. As you can tell by the caption, I finally got my parts in from Elite Engineering, which would be the oil catch can. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. I'm not gonna lie, this thing did take a long time to arrive, longer than expected. Almost 2 months, or a little over 2 months. So yeah, I was trying to have this installed before I started up the motor, but one thing led to another. I had to go to a dealer to replace that little U-shaped part, or U-shaped hose that goes from the valley cover to the intake manifold. So here we go. Looks like I got some gaskets and hardware for that. This will be the hose to go from the catch can to the intake manifold. It's going to be an emissions hose. It's a Continental brand. This will be the hockey shaped bracket. It's going to go on the cylinder block. And this is the catch can. Okay, it's nice that they upgraded it. So they upgraded it to this style. Okay, where the hose is gonna go here and it's gonna lock in place. Originally, that's not what I ordered. I ordered the very simple design with the barbed fitting, which costs a lot, costs less. But I kept sending them emails because they were taking a lot longer than what they had told me originally. So it looks like they upgraded it for free, because I know there's a price difference for this style fitting than the standard barbed fittings, the brass ones. So it looks like they upgraded it to this for free. I know I wasn't charged this, so thank you for that upgrade. And the part looks nice. It feels nice and solid. That's going to be the for the filter, and this will be catch the oil. Nice. Alright, that's how the fittings look like on the top. Alright, and then got some more clamps. Alright guys, so installing the catch can was very simple. I just attached the bracket to the set above with the 2 bolts. I connected the catch can to the bracket with the 2 supplied screws for the hardware. And then I ran the hoses, one to the intake manifold and the other to, looks like the valley cover. And there it is. This is the inlet on top, outlet on bottom, and then that's it. That's the setup for the catch can. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And there it is. It also turns out that my rear brake pads on the driver's side were pretty much grinding down, so I had to do the brakes. I ended up buying 4 new rotors, and then front and rear brake pads, the EBC redstuff. The rear rotors were non-salvageable. They're way too thin already. So I just got the front ones resurfaced. So I'm going to keep these for spares, backups, for future use, of course. And then once the new ones come in, they should be here in about a week. I'm just going to install the new ones with the new EBC redstuff brake pads. And then since I have this stuff off, I am going to clean up a little bit as far as the hub and the calipers and the caliper bracket. The caliper bracket, it looks like this type of, it's like worn out metal, like it's non-painted. So with the caliper brackets, I'm going to paint them the same color as the calipers. I was thinking about doing them black, but I like how that red looks. So I'm just gonna paint the caliper brackets the same red. And then once the new rotors come in, I don't think this hub is painted because these ones I painted myself black. So once the new ones come in, I think I'm gonna paint these black as well. And yeah, that's it. Keep you guys updated as the parts come in and as I start to begin to do the work on the caliper brackets and my brake system. Alright, so my parts finally came in today. I ordered front and rear brakes drilled and slotted, and of course factory EBC redstuff brake pads for the GTO. Damn. So about to unbox these. Let's check them out. Let's see. I might have to use both hands. Guys, EBC brakes, redstuff ceramic, front and rear. Bam! So I'm ready to stop on a dime, especially with this new horsepower, with this new motor that I just installed. So there we go, drilled and slotted, and EBC front and rear. I'm about to do the install, and yeah, dude. So here we go. It'll be on this Pontiac GTO. Finally finished the install on all four drilled and slotted rotors with the EBC redstuff brake pads, and then I've also painted my brake caliper bracket to match the caliper. So on all four corners, so that's how it looks. You see EBC, yeah, redstuff. Bam! Pretty simple install. The bracket was a simple paint job as well. What I'm gonna do next time, when I have more time, because I'm going on a cruise tomorrow to Neptune's Net, right here in near Malibu and PCH. That's why I did this last minute. But these hubs I'll paint next time black, so they don't like rust over time, because it looks kind of nasty. But I'll paint these hubs black